How can I monitor my child's use of their Apple ID and ensure that they stay safe online?
In today's digital world, it's important to ensure that your children stay safe online. By monitoring their Apple ID usage, you can help protect them from potential risks. In this video, we will discuss how you can effectively monitor your child's Apple ID and ensure their online safety.
What is family sharing?
Family sharing is a feature on Apple devices that allows up to 6 family members to share App Store purchases, Apple subscriptions, and iCloud storage. With family sharing, you can also monitor your child's online activities and set limits on their device usage.
How do I set up family sharing?
1. On your Apple device, go to Settings greater than your name, greater than family sharing. 2. Tap Set up family sharing, then follow the on-screen instructions.
How can I monitor my child's app purchases?
After setting up family sharing, you can enable Ask to Buy to require your approval before your child can make purchases on their Apple device. 1. Go to Settings greater than your name, greater than family sharing. 2. Tap Ask to Buy, then select the child's account you want to enable this feature for.
How can I set screen time limits for my child?
Screen time is a feature that allows you to set limits on your child's device usage and view their activity reports. 1. Go to Settings greater than your name, greater than family sharing. 2. Tap Screen Time. 3. Select your child's account and follow the on-screen instructions to set up screen time for your child.
How can I monitor my child's online communication?
To ensure your child's safety in online communication, you can use communication limits to restrict who they can communicate with and when they can send and receive messages. 1. Go to Settings greater than your name, greater than family sharing. 2. Tap Screen Time, Communication Limits. 3. Adjust the settings as desired for your child's account.
How can I ensure my child only accesses age-appropriate content?
To restrict your child's access to age-appropriate content, you can use content and privacy restrictions. 1. Go to Settings greater than your name, greater than family sharing. 2. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. 3. Enable the desired restrictions for your child's account. By using these features in family sharing, you can effectively monitor your child's Apple ID usage and ensure their online safety. Remember to have open conversations with your children about their online experiences and educate them about potential risks and how to stay safe.